Did you know that a common virus could potentially double your risk of dementia? Yes, you heard it right. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: the surprising link between the herpes simplex virus, or HSV, and dementia. This isn't just some abstract concept, it's a matter that impacts millions of people worldwide. Understanding this connection could open new doors in the fight against dementia, a condition that disrupts lives and families in every corner of the globe. So, sit back and let's delve into this surprising connection between HSV and dementia. Before we move forward, it's important to understand what we are talking about. Dementia is a general term for a decline in mental ability, severe enough to interfere with daily life. It is not a specific disease, but an overall term that covers a wide range of specific medical conditions, including Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease accounts for 60 to 80% of cases, making it the most common cause of dementia among older adults. Globally, nearly 50 million people live with dementia, and there are nearly 10 million new cases every year. It's a major cause of disability and dependency among older people, and can be overwhelming for the families of affected people. On the other hand, the herpes simplex virus, which we'll refer to as HSV, is a common virus that causes sores on your genitals and/or mouth. HSV can be dormant in a person's body for years, and about 2/3 of the global population under the age of 50 are infected with this virus. With this basic understanding, let's take a look at a fascinating study that connects these elements. The study we're discussing today followed 1,002 dementia-free 70-year-olds in Sweden for a whopping 15 years. That's right, 15 years of meticulous observation and data collection. The primary aim? To investigate the risk of dementia associated with the herpes simplex virus, or HSV. Now, HSV is quite common, many of us carry it without even knowing it. But does it have a role in dementia? That's what these Swedish researchers set out to find. They collected and analyzed serum samples from each participant, specifically looking for anti-HSV antibodies. These antibodies are a telltale sign of a past or present HSV infection. The study also considered other factors like the presence of the APOE4 gene, known to increase the risk of Alzheimer's, and cytomegalovirus infection, another common virus. The findings of this study are quite intriguing, to say the least. So, what did this extensive study reveal? Well, the results were quite intriguing and may change the way we view the relationship between viral infections and dementia. It turns out that individuals who carried HSV antibodies were more than twice as likely to develop dementia over the course of the 15-year study. Yes, you heard that right, more than double the risk. Now, it's important to note that HSV is quite common. In fact, most adults carry HSV antibodies, which are our body's response to a previous or ongoing infection with the herpes simplex virus. So, the prevalence of these antibodies amongst the participants was quite high. But here's where things get interesting. The study also looked at the role of anti-herpes virus treatment in potentially reducing the risk of dementia. However, the data showed that the use of such treatments didn't significantly impact the risk of dementia or Alzheimer's disease. So, it seems that carrying HSV antibodies is linked to an increased risk of dementia, regardless of whether anti-herpes virus treatment is used. This suggests that the virus may play a more direct role in the development of dementia, rather than being a mere bystander. In other words, our understanding of the causes of dementia might need to expand beyond the traditional culprits like age and genetics, to also include viral infections like HSV. These findings could potentially change the way we understand and approach dementia. These findings surely make us wonder, what's next? As we delve into the implications, we see that they offer a new direction for future research. Because if herpes simplex virus infection does indeed double the risk of dementia, we could potentially develop treatments targeting the virus to prevent or slow down the onset of dementia. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. These are the results of one study. To solidify this link, we need more comprehensive studies with larger sample sizes and diverse demographics. Moreover, the research opens up a broader question for investigation: what role do infections play in neurological diseases? It's a fascinating and complex new frontier in medical science, and it's not just about treatment. If proven, these findings could point towards preventive measures, perhaps even a vaccine against the herpes simplex virus, as a way to lower the risk of dementia. While this is a significant step forward, the journey to fully understand and combat dementia is still a long one. But with each new discovery, we inch closer to that goal. So let's keep exploring, keep asking, keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, because that's how we make progress.